today is a monumental day for that build up there. It is about to get laid.
What?
Well, its roof is about to get laid actually.
Roof day is a visual progress day.
6, 7.
374 square metres laid today in about 4 hours. Not bad.
The whip.
I want to talk to you about the team I've chosen not just for this roof, but literally every roof I've ever done. Previously, we've got the roof metal going through the roller on Thursday, and the boys will be here on Friday to start installing. Yo, it is Thursday, the 11th of December, and it feels like the night before Christmas because tomorrow morning, this and maybe some of this is going to be covered with roofing iron. That's right, this morning I was at the factory and we saw that get run. Sneak peek of a factory visit here. And we've got Metalcraft Roofing. And now it's coming to site, 6 a.m. in the morning. I've lined up the best team in town, and the roof on that build up there is about to get laid.
Noah,
You ready, Ollie?
ready?
You ready for a roof?
I was born ready.
Yeah. They just took their while for the site to catch up.
That's right. The site, I was waiting on the site, not the other way around.
True.
I've got to take photos for everybody. Just taking photos for engineers and inspectors, and I'm going to share this with the council.
Did
my
you
boss.
just say the council's accepting photos?
No, they are. That's great. We've got a great relationship.
Right, see you tomorrow. Good work.
See you, man.
Morning. A very, very good morning actually. It is Friday the 12th of December. Yeah. You know the drill. Every week I jump in front of this camera and I'll tell you what's happening on site. We'll dive into the details. We'll talk about why that's important. But just like every other week, I'm going to talk about the people. Because the people you choose to align yourself with in business is success or failure. Good to have you back.
Oh, exactly. New sites, new views. I mean, look at this. It's gorgeous. Good environment.
Yeah.
Good work.
Yep, me and Ray, we're the office girls, we kept boys in check.
Let's go and have a look at the team that's not only roofing that build up there, but has been the powerhouse behind every single roof I've ever put on. Let's go. Roof day, Ollie.
Yep. Exciting.
Are you pumped?
I am.
One of the first times in a long time where the build schedule and reality and the weather have all lined up.
Yeah, it's magic.
So were you always a roofer?
No, I wasn't actually. I started out plumbing originally, and yeah, the kind of roofing side just sort of kicked it off for me. But I actually ended up in Edinburgh, and then yeah, came back, and was where the roofing started with Reedy Renee. So.
Is he going to get there?
What's your name?
My name's Jack. Nice
How long have you worked for Reedy Renee?
I've been working here coming up 2 years now.
2 years. What do you love about it?
I just like being outdoors, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like, can't get a better job than this. I mean, look at this. It's gorgeous. Happy to go.
What do you think makes roof clad a success?
I think it's just, keen boys getting into it and loving it.
Yo, Jacob, on the drone today.
Yep.
What's your school principal going to say about this?
I don't know, you probably think it's cool.
Not only is Jacob my co-pilot in filming and life, my little sidekick.
Were you nervous watching the truck go down the drive, Jacob?
Kinda. I thought it was gonna slip. I was surprised it got out fine, actually.
Jacob is a YouTuber himself. I told him that I'd give him a shout out when he hit 1k subs. Yo, tell us about Frosty.
Frosty is my YouTube channel. I started it 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Just this morning I hit 6,000 subs.
Yo. My number one drone pilot, Sam, is actually getting his wisdom teeth out this morning. Morning.
Morning, how are you? Yeah.
Good luck, Sam. We're thinking of you.
Yeah.
Hey bro. Faster. Swing for the swing. Happy there.
What's the deal with paper? Why do we put that on?
It's underlay pretty much.
Yeah.
Just to, moisture protection, things like that. Happy there.
Now watch the roof get laid. Oh, that's the truck. Let's go. Guess what? Roofing sheets are here. It's happening. Quick action stations. Hey, you've got. Right, Holly, I'm ready.
We actually have got the perfect day for it. Southerly's not hitting here at all, so yeah, just nice and warm, and that's it. Easy, perfect roofing day. I think we'll get 2 out of the 3 roofs on, so we should, yeah, good hit, I reckon.
Morning! Today we are laying the roof up at that build up there. We are putting on Metcom 7 today.
Does this corner line up with that corner? Does this line up with the inside? Bring it off slightly. So you can bring it going.
No, we've worked with you guys for a long time now, and I think it's gone pretty smoothly and every roof's gone pretty well.
Yeah. Well, that's why you're here today. Tell us about your role at Roof Club.
So my role is the operations and office manager. So it's a bit of a mixed role, but that's sort of why I like it. So some days I'll be in the office, doing warranties, invoicing, health and safety documents. And then other days I'll be out on site, doing Instagram reels or taking photos for our website and our Instagram.
What are you up to?
Instagram,
Oh, yeah. Epic. That's an important part of the job, eh?
100%.
Yeah, it's 2025.
Literally, got to get with it.
Yeah. What's your tricks to Instagram?
Well, you got to be good at taking photos first because, you know, some days I'll message the boys and be like, yo, can you get some good roof shots for me so I can use them for the Instagram, and then they'll send them to me and I'm like, what is that?
Yeah.
So yeah, you know, just another reason why boys need women in their life. Jack's
That's a
alright,
personal
though.
attack because I take good
Yeah,
photos.
to be fair, if I had to pick one of the boys, I would probably pick Jack
Oh,
to take my photos.
Jack. Did you hear that, boys? Jack's the favourite. What's the real truth about Bree?
What was that?
What's the real truth about Bree? Give us the goss. We have some very diplomatic boys on site.
So this is CoverTech 407. It's waterproof, and this is pretty much the paper that we use on the majority of our jobs.
The things we do to get the shot. It's like covered in bird shit.
These last couple of weeks have gone really slow and it felt like nothing's happening.
Not much is visually happening on site, but that doesn't mean the boys haven't been hard at work.
You know that the boys are working really hard and that there's lots going on, but it just feels like there's not much visual progress right now. So roof day is a visual progress day.
Level 1, tick. What do you think about roof day?
Cool.
What are your names?
Jackson, Levi, Riley.
What do you think about this new home?
I like it.
Yeah. Show me your best dance.
6, 7.
So that family up there, what do you think of your build?
Cool.
Yeah.
So cool that it's closed in.
Right. What are we saying to all our viewers?
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, see you next year.
Mid.
What's your name?
I'm Luke.
Yeah. What are you up to?
Just clean cutting the bottom of these sheets. They line up with the roof.
Yeah. How long you worked for Roofing Clad?
Been here 3.5 years now.
Oh yeah, nice. You like it?
Yeah, it's not bad. Pretty good.
Colour was today.
Flex Pod.
And was what Flex got pretty popular?
Yeah, I would probably say that Flex Pod is the most popular colour in the colour palette.
It's bloody loud. So Flex was the most popular.
Yes, yeah, that's what I would say.
Yeah, and what's second?
I would probably go with Ebony Black. No, come over here, take someone over there.
What's up, ladies?
Oh, you know, big day of mahi. Are you happy or what? The whole roof's laid.
Is this what happens when we get the girls involved?
Yeah, 300 and what?
374 square metres laid today in about 4 hours.
Yeah.
Damn.
Breeze
Not
cracking
bad.
the whip.
Yeah.
Not bad.
I heard that you get more beers when there's a roof on, and we appreciate you so much, not just on this roof, but like you guys have been solid.
Not even for some Bud Light?
If anyone needs a roof, 0800 Roof It. You know who to call.
Cheers.